Do you know many people are having trouble with installing a new battery in their Sony radio? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Plug in radio. Plug the radio into a wall outlet to keep your settings safe during the battery change. Step 2. Open compartment. Find the battery compartment on the bottom of the radio and slide the tab to open it. Step 3. Insert battery. Insert a new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up. Step 4. Secure compartment. Securely slide the battery compartment back into the unit until it clicks. Step 5. Clear errors. Press the radio button to clear any error messages from the display. With these steps, you should now be able to easily replace the battery in your Sony ICF-C1 radio. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Sony users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.